Also tonight, the UConn Health Center lab project took a giant step forward today. Governor Malloy says a final agreement has now been reached between the state and Maine-based Jackson Laboratory. NBC Connecticut's Amy Parmenter live in Farmington with all the details. Amy, bring us up to speed.
Well, Keisha, with the signing of the so-called Jackson Labs bill, Governor Malloy today, as well as the state of Connecticut, really, invested in an almost $300 billion industry that's been growing by more than 10% a year. Here at the UConn Health Center, where the lab will be located, the folks couldn't be happier. In a crowded atrium at the UConn Health Center, Governor Dannel Malloy ceremoniously signed an agreement between the state and Jackson Labs to create a biosciences center on the Farmington campus.
We're moving as rapidly as we can to create a new and more vibrant and stronger Connecticut with new and better jobs.
Specifically, the creation of the biosciences center is expected to result in at least 300 jobs over the next 10 years. Many of which are required to be senior scientist positions.
Drive the Connecticut bioscience industry. That's our goal.
Long-term, Governor Malloy describes the Biosciences Center as a cornerstone for Connecticut's future as a science center that will include Yale and the UConn campus and stores.
Creating our own research triangle with Hartford smack dab in the middle of that triangle. What we're talking about is the creation of the next generation of jobs.
And it really does what the state needs in terms of creating jobs, providing a return on our investment to the citizens of the state, and really putting us again on the map for bioscience.
Now, when you talk about all those jobs that they mentioned, when you include the peripheral jobs like restaurants and retail, things like that will come as a result of this lab, the projections are that there could be as many as up to 7,000 jobs over the next 20 years as a result of the lab. Groundbreaking on the project is expected sometime in the next year. We are live tonight in Farmington. I'm Amy Parmenter, NBC Connecticut News. Keisha.
Amy, thank you.